Right, so this is the state of the bike after the Leeds Liverpool Canal trip. I mean, I really need a longer front mudguard. It's just all splattered up there. But yeah, some of those towpaths were absolutely in dire conditions. But yeah, the bike performed okay. I had to give the chain a couple of clean downs a few times. It was getting a bit grindy. I mean, I carry a little small tub of oil with us, so I have a cloth, clean it down, re-oil it. But yeah, I'm going to give it a wash this morning. It needs a good wash. But everything worked okay. It should. That rear bag that I had on, that worked absolutely fine. No issues whatsoever. But yeah, just need to go clean. Yeah, so I had the Gravel King tyres on back and front, and they served me well. As I say, some of the conditions were pretty dire, and I managed it sort of no problem. So yeah, they were very good. So one thing I did learn or take away from this ride was that I'd utilised all the space on the bike, and that's why I lost the waterproofs, because I just stuck them under the bungee. So I'm going to get a little small side pannier, maybe even make one, yeah, to put my waterproofs in, and also to pick up any food at the end of the day that you want to get for your tea or whatever. I just didn't have that space. I'd maxed everything out on the bike, I'd utilised everything. So yeah, I'll be looking for just a little small pannier zip type thing that I'll attach on the back, and I can just keep the waterproofs in and my food just to get till to camp at the end of the day. But it's just handy, that little extra space. But yeah, so that was probably about the only thing I really learned from this one. But yeah, it's always good to learn. Thanks for watching. See you out soon.